Hi, it's me nutrition expert Riya Wahi, and today we are discussing about the polycystic ovarian syndrome. What is polycystic ovarian syndrome? Can it be treated or not? What are the signs and the symptoms? What shall we eat and what shall we not? What to do and what not to do? Can you become pregnant having a PCOS? Yes or no? And the answer is yes. So we will discussing more in this video. Each woman is different. That means the sign and the symptoms are also different. If you're suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, it is like common these days, and everybody is, out of 5 women, maybe 1 or 2 is suffering from PCOS. But it is spreading like epidemic. Have you ever thought why it is so? And especially, it doesn't only make you PCOS patient, it do affect your physical appearance, it do affect like having a lot of acne, it do affect your mental peace, especially when you skip your periods again and again and you feel the bloating in your stomach. So what to do? So do I have a PCOD or PCOS? How will I find it out? So many other things which you keep finding out by understanding or by talking to your friends. They say you have a lot of acne, you have a lot of facial hair, maybe you are suffering from PCOS, you have missed your periods, maybe you are suffering from PCOS. Yes, that is possible. So how to find it out? The first and the foremost thing, get your ultrasound done. If you get your ultrasound done and you find your ovaries are polycystic ovaries, that means, and there is a cyst over there, that means you are suffering from PCOS. Second, another way of getting test is you can get your blood test done. If the androgen level or the male hormone level is high in your blood, that means again you are suffering from PCOS. And how will you see the symptoms? Maybe a lot of acne on your face, or unwanted facial hair, or maybe a thinning of hair from this side, the crown area. So that could be another reason. And the third and the foremost, which is very important, that is missing of your periods. Every alternate month, or maybe after 3 months, you are missing your periods. That could be another symptom of polycystic ovarian syndrome. So what shall we do if we are suffering from PCOS? PCOS cannot be cured. It can be reversed. Yes, it can be reversed once you meet your gynecologist or your nutritionist. They will guide you well how to reverse the symptoms of PCOS. Yes, you can become pregnant. Yes, there can be a fertility in your body. You can become fertile still having a PCOS. So what to do? Once you visit your gynecologist, they usually suggest you oral contraceptive pills or insulin tablets. That is a metformin, a diabetic medicine. Why are they giving so? They are giving to keep your blood sugar level under control, or the oral contraceptive pills. So, but both of them comes with a lot of side effects. So now what to do? Either having a oral contraceptive pills from the age of 13 and so long forever, and later on then your body becomes very infertile. The main ramban is your diet and your exercise. So what kind of a diet you should follow, and what exercises to do, and how many hours a day. Diet and exercise does not mean that you whole day get into the exercise mode and you keep doing workout, because it will not help you. It will hamper your health. It will release more of the stress hormone, that is cortisol, which will again do the hormonal imbalance in your body. So a very good diet, that is a diet which includes the whole food like rice, multigrain atta roti, or the legumes, pulses, green leafy vegetables, and try to avoid the processed food and high refined sugar or refined carbs like maida, like chips, like aerated sugary drinks, and the food which is coming in ready to eat packets, and all the processed food. And there you see a lot of difference. And what kind of a exercise we should do? You can do yoga, you can do aerobics, you can do Zumba, you can do gymming, but it has to be in a moderate, that is 40 to 40 minutes or maybe a 1 hour. That is enough for you. Anything which you are doing in a moderation will surely help your body. But if you overdo of anything, maybe a herbal supplement, or maybe a too much of fiber in your body, or maybe a too much of exercise, it will really hamper your health. So one has to be very positive while dealing with a PCOS problem. Enjoy your time, listen to good music to deal with the depression or the emotional stress, and try to inculcate a good eating and a nutritional eating habits, which will really help you in a long run. And you'll see within a month or 2 months, your periods, your menstruation cycle will come under a regular course, and you will also get away of you will also get rid of that bloating which is there in your tummy area. I have many patients who was suffering from PCOS. Now they are not suffering from PCOS. Either they are pregnant because they were looking for the fertility diet, or they are enjoying their lifestyle in a very healthy way. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि हम PCOS को ठीक नहीं कर सकते. हम PCOS को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. We can improve. Now the question is, ये हो ही क्यों रहा है? Is it too much there in your genetics? I'll tell you. Cut down the processed food of your diet. Cut down the preservative food from your diet. Cut down the ready to eat वाला जो पैकेट वाला food आता है in your diet. And all the sugary and aerated drinks from your diet. Get into a normal नारियल पानी वाला mode, or maybe shikanji, or maybe some other छाछ, or all the other good alternatives जो हम पहले से ही लेते हुए आ रहे थे, which we find some way कि नहीं, this is so outdated. Don't go on a high-end brands. Try to remain local and seasonal fruit and vegetable lover. And you see how healthy you become. Your skin will become flawless. You don't have to pop up too much of supplements. You only need to work on your diet, because what we eat is what we are. Thank you.